Hi, this is a short video how to set up your users and groomers in Savvy. So up in the top right cog, the third icon along is users, and in here you can add all of your groomers into Savvy. What this does is then allow them in day view. You can view their own column. You can book appointments directly in for each of your users' groomers. Some people have them even listed as table numbers. It's entirely up to you how you create your additional users. We can click to create new, and you can add in the email username. This has to visually be an email, but it doesn't have to be an active email. So it could be groomer1@mysalon.com, and then it will allow you to enter that. A first name and a last name. Again, it doesn't have to be a name. It could be table 1, head groomer, head bather, whatever names you want to go in there. That will appear then at the top on day view of their column. And if you allow online booking and to select the user, they will use these names to be able to select which groomer they're using to book with. Again, we've got the colour palette. You can give the user a colour. That shows if you are using the user colours for your diary, and there's a few different options on which colours you can use. Display order is for day view, so you can have it so that head groomer is always in that first position. So you can pop in which display order there. It has to be numerical, and it has to be 1 through to however many groomers you have. And then you can select whether they are they're a groomer and admin, or they are just admin. Once they are created, we can then click to check them in, and that will start calculating the time that they've been in the salon for you, and check back out again when they're ready. That all appears then over in our reports in the left menu. You have the option, if there are just admin and they're not a groomer, you can hide them from the display in the diary. If there are appointments booked, however, that will also hide their appointments, so be cautious of that one. In the edit, we can go back and we can see all of that information that we've just filled in for the new users. You've then got the option of filling in all of their working hours. So you can toggle on which days of the week they are working, and we have the drop down to select the times for the start time and the end time for this user. What we also have underneath then is the option to set a password. So that will use the email that you've created for each individual user, and the password that you pop in here. It will enable every user that you create to log into Savvy with their own password. So now when we go back, you can see all of the active user information here. If we were to archive a groomer, they would then switch over and be visible in the archive list, and you can reactivate groomers from here as well. If we need to change the name of a groomer, the email, just pop into help chat, and we can update that email for you anytime. Just let us know what the email is that is currently there and what the email is that you'd like it to be changed to, and we can do that for you. To update any of the other names, first name, last name, you can come in and you can edit those and update at any time. Any questions, do let us know either in the help up in the top right corner, or email us hello@itsallsavvy.com.